Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Happy New Year's, guys. When you are watching this, it is the first day of 2020. It is January 1st, 2020, and it is a new year, new goals, new me, and I wanted to share with y'all my 2020 budget goals for my sinking funds that I just typed up when I was at work. And then we're going to go over the 52-week savings challenge that I'm going to challenge myself for the third time to try and complete this. I always get to like right here and I fail. But with y'all's support, I know I can do it. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you want to join the 52-week challenge with me. And also let me know if you have any 2020 budget goals for your sinking funds or any goals at all. It can be personal, or it could be money goals. I do have a link at the end of this video of all the goals that I want to accomplish in 2020. Now, let's get started with the 52-week savings challenge. Now, of course, this is 52 weeks, so each week you're going to put money in. So it runs from the 1st all the way to 52. So that is according to the week. And then you have the deposit. So it starts with $1, $2, $3, $4, and so on and so forth. Then you have the balance, and then check mark is, you just write the check mark if you completed it. So I have seen a lot of variations. I have, and a lot of other people have started at 1 and went down. A lot of people have started at 52 and went up, or 1 and went up, and then 52 and went down. But I am going to do, I did it both of those times. So what I'm going to do this year is that whatever I have, like whatever money I can put forward is what I am going to do. So say if week 1, I want to do $12. So I just put $12 and then I'm just going to use my Crayola twistable colors and I'm just going to shade it in. That means that I completed that one. And then I'm going to put it in this snowflake blue box. And we are just going to keep the money in there. And at the end, we are going to see how much we have left. So you should end up with $1,378. So before I stuff mine, make sure you have a game plan. If you want to start with week 1 or week 52 or like week 39 or 13, whichever you want to do, you do you guys. But I am going to support you no matter what. So for the first week, which is January 1st, I am going to put $15. So I'm just going to go look on the weeks, go to 15, and I am going to color it in. Now don't get confused because it says balance is $120. I am going to go by color because, you know, we all like us some coloring, right? So I think that is the best bet for me, and possibly I can knock these out. The reason why I'm going to start with 15 is because I want to save my lower ones, like 1 through 10. I want to save my lower ones for the weeks that I'm like struggling to save money, or if I didn't get a lot for my paycheck and everything, like next week, since I was on vacation, I had to use my PTO. I don't have any call or anything like that, so that is why. So yeah, there you go, you guys. So we are going to get our bucket, and then we're just going to fold this in. So there's 10 and 15. Put that in there. Now, you might ask, what is your goal for the 52 challenge week? So my goal is to either put it towards the wedding or save for my emergency fund. I am doing Transfer Tuesdays, so a lot of those Transfer Tuesdays are going to go towards my emergency fund. So we're just going to split it between wedding and between paying off debt or doing the emergency fund. So that is our plan, you guys. All right. If you have any questions, just as always, let me know down below and I will answer it as truthfully and honest as possible. All right, so before we finish up this video is going to be very quick. I just wanted to go over my 2020 budget goals for my sinking funds. Now I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit. I did type this up at like 3 in the morning last night because I was working. All right, so number one, I want to save $1,200 for college because I am trying to get into the nursing program and it does cost a lot of money. So I want to try to save up $12,000 or $1,200 for college. Two, I want to save $1,000 for vacation. That doesn't mean that we're going to go on vacation this year. It's just all depends because of school and everything. Three is $800 for medical because there is a lot of things. Like, I really want to get braces. Like, my smile is the most, I love my smile. I really do. I get a lot of compliments on it, but I am insecure about it when it comes to pictures. It doesn't seem like it because I'm always showing my teeth and everything, but I do get insecure about it and I want to see what I can do. Maybe just Invisalign. I don't know. I don't know the prices. So we're going to do $800 for the year. Number four is $800 for car maintenance, and I have no idea why that typoed. So don't pay attention to that. I'll just put it right here. All right, $200 for gifts, so that's like birthdays or special occasions or anything like that. $200 for clothing and beauty. $1,000 for Christmas or Black Friday. $150 for tag, and then $22.50 for wedding 2021. Now, the only thing, as I'm looking at right now, the only thing I forgot to put in is the special occasion, like the bachelorette trip and the 2 other weddings I'm going to be in this coming up year. So, probably need to retype this up. But we will figure it out. Don't worry, you guys. All right, so total is $7,350. Per month is going to be $700, and per paycheck is going to be $350 because I get paid every 2 weeks. Now, on college, it's $150 for the month or $75 per paycheck. Vacation is $83 a month or $42 per paycheck. Medical is $66 or $33 per paycheck. Car is $66 or $33 per paycheck. Gifts is $16 or $8 per paycheck. Clothing and beauty is $16 or $8 per paycheck. Christmas/Black Friday is $90 or $45 per paycheck. So that will be split up into each category. So half of $45 will go into Christmas and the other half will go into Black Friday. Tag is going to be $25 per month or $13 per paycheck. Wedding is $188 per month or $94 per paycheck. Now, this is just a rough cut. Sometimes when I don't get a lot of overtime, it might, it might be lower per month. So it just depends. That's just my goal. My goal is to save up as much as possible, gearing towards these totals. Now, maybe one month I'll do $200 towards maintenance, but the next month I'll do $100. It just depends on how much I'm making at work. Or if I'm selling something on eBay or Poshmark or anything like that. It just all depends. So, take this as a grain of salt, but it is a good platform to look over for me, for my budget. All right, you guys, so that is it. If you have any questions about my budget goals or the 52-week challenge, let me know down below. And without further ado, make sure you subscribe down below. Let me know your goals. And I hope y'all are having an amazing start to your 2020 year. And I hope y'all continue to have a blessed year. And I will see you guys later. Bye, you guys.